Imagine walking into a hospital where robots don't just assist. They diagnose, operate, and even care for patients. Here's the shocking part. This future is already unfolding. Healthcare robots are breaking barriers worldwide. From surgical assistants like Intuitive Surgical's Da Vinci system to delivery robots in hospitals across India, automation is becoming the hidden backbone of modern medicine. But that's not all. AI-powered robots are now scanning X-rays faster than doctors. Think of robots as powerful partners. They bring amazing precision, never tire, and reduce human error. What happens next will surprise you. Rehabilitation robots are helping stroke patients walk again, while robotic nurses deliver medicines on time. Investors see billions in opportunity because this revolution cuts costs and saves lives. Here's the warning. While robots promise unbelievable benefits, risks remain. Data privacy, high costs, and myths like robots will replace doctors create fear. The truth? Robots assist, but human judgment stays irreplaceable. Next, imagine personalized surgeries guided by AI or rural clinics supported by robotic telemedicine. The business impact is powerful. Healthcare robots could completely change how we experience treatment. The secret weapon of tomorrow's healthcare isn't just technology. It's the revolution of robots unlocking human potential. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Nezzhub Tech for more future technology insights. And tell us, would you trust a robot to perform surgery on you? Why or why not?